Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Staples Hyken chair, which is currently priced at $150 straight from the Staples website. I've been using this chair for around a month now and want to talk to you guys about some of the good things and bad about this chair. So first, to give you guys some details and features about the chair itself, it's a meshback fabric ergonomic chair, which is something that you would find in an office space. And gaming chairs are actually getting pretty trendy right now, and they have been for the past few years, and I was actually considering getting one, but then I looked into some reviews, and I saw that they didn't provide the best back support, and they weren't anything too special. Especially with work or school at home, most of us are spending a lot more time at our desks, which is why I decided to pick up an ergonomic chair in the first place. I personally had some back pain, especially in my lower back area, but I can say that it's been resolved with some daily back stretches and a better chair like this one. Now, taking a look at the chair itself, it's made of a mesh material which allows for air to circulate into the chair, making it comfortable to sit on no matter the temperature in your room. The mesh also allows the chair to conform to the shape of your body, making it a much more enjoyable experience to sit on compared to a standard leather office chair. When I was looking for a chair for my desk setup, I wanted something to support my head so that I could sit straight and look at the monitor directly without any neck strain. This chair paired with my monitor arm allows me to have the proper angle when using my computer, so I don't bend my neck too far up or too far down. The headrest is adjustable in 3 different positions, which is good for different heights. However, something I didn't like about the headrest was that it seemed to be pushed out a little bit too far, and especially if you recline back, it doesn't feel the best for your neck if you want it to be completely aligned with your body. If you want something that doesn't come out as much, the IKEA Marcus chair might be a good option for you. Something else that I really wanted in my chair was for the ability for it to recline, since I want to watch more TV shows and play more games in a more relaxed position. This chair tilts back in 3 different positions with the lock on the bottom left of the chair. Pulling it up gives you the option to sit back and tilt the chair in any position, and if you choose to leave the lock pulled up, it doesn't lock the tilt in any certain position. However, if you tilt the chair all the way back and you put the lock back down, it's going to lock the position of the chair in place even if you leave the chair. And if you want to put the chair back in the upright position, it won't slap you in the back since you have to first pull up the lock and then put pressure on the back in order for it to adjust again. I would have loved the chair to just go back one more level, but honestly the furthest back angle is probably fine for most of your needs. Also, I just wanted to add that if you are taller than 5'10 or 5'11, this chair might not be it for you because of the headrest. It's actually going to hit more of your lower neck rather than your head due to its limited adjustability. However, there are some solutions to help extend the headrest to go a little bit higher, and if I do find any on YouTube, I'll be sure to link them down below. Taking a look at the armrests, they're made of a hard foam material which feels comfortable to rest your arms on. However, if you do want something a lot softer, this chair might not be it for you. They're vertically adjustable and easy to adjust, but they can't adjust horizontally, which some higher end chairs can do. For me personally, I found the position of these armrests to be completely fine and I have no complaints here. The back of the chair is also the same mesh material as the seat of the chair and the headrest. It includes probably one of the most important hardware features of any chair, which is the lumbar pad. The lumbar pad is actually adjustable to whatever position you want it to be in with a decent amount of movement. This part of the chair is what helps to keep your back supported, and if you're at your desk for around 6 to 8 hours a day like I am, this can help save you back pain and help maintain a better overall posture. Overall, for only $150, this chair is probably one of the best value chairs for your desk setup. I personally dismissed the idea of buying a more expensive chair like this one because of the idea that I could spend more money on something more important to me like a PC upgrade or a new keyboard or mouse. A high back task chair like this that can tilt has made long hours I spend at my desk a lot more comfortable and has reduced my back pain and even helped me maintain a much better posture. There's a lot of other competitors out there for this chair like the IKEA Marcus or an autonomous ergo chair, but for only $150 I think you'll find the most adjustability and similar comfort compared to those for a lower price. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys found it helpful or enjoyable in any way, consider going down below and hitting that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in the next video.